Hey everyone, just got a package in the mail from FedEx, from Cabela's. I want to do a unboxing video for you guys to show you what it is. And if I can't find, there it is. I went ahead and cut the top and bottom tape right there, so we'll just go ahead and open it on up the rest of the way. The box itself is pretty plain, except for that sticker right there. I noticed that, I don't know if they've done this before, but they have the sticker on there, like when you get a package from Amazon. I don't know how long they started doing that, but it has the Cabela's packaging tape. So let's go ahead and open it up. Check out what's inside here. Right. Yes. Inside we have a Geico flyer. Thought we'd have a little bit more than that, maybe a magazine or something like that, but that's it. And the paperwork that you guys don't need to see. Alright. So this is what I've ordered. The 1858. It's a, talk about it a little bit while I'll unbox it here. It's a replica of a 1858 Remington cap and ball. Trying to do this one-handed. There we go. Alright. Box itself is in relatively good shape. That indent right there was just for me opening it. This here has your charge, what your charge should be. This is from Pieta. Safety safety instructions, maintenance. Alright. Voila. Here she is. Just as she comes from the factory. If this is the first video you're watching of this particular or any type of firearm that you get from Cabela's or Bass Pro or anything like that, these things are very, very oily from the factory to prevent rust. So I have a towel here I'm going to use. Just like so. So the oil doesn't get all over my comforter. Just because this is a brand new revolver, I'm going to take my ring off so I don't bang up any of the metal and scratch or nick it, because I don't want to return this. Alright, this yellow rubber band on the end simply comes off. And then just slides right on. Just like so. Again, trying to do this one-handed isn't very easy. That is very nice. One thing that I immediately want to check is the timing on this. See how it's timed. Might be a little off. Then again, might not. You see? I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Anyway, I'll do another video reviewing it later. Come on, focus. Do another video of later. A review of it. Let you know how the timing is, and just real quick, I'll do a fit and finish. A little bit of a gap there. Got a smaller gap here on the handle. You see how the gap is different on this side. There's not so much of a gap on this side. And it's going to mess up a little bit again, but right here is a little bit higher than the strap here. And this side seems to be pretty good. See how that's not as raised as much on this side? This side's higher, but that's okay. That is okay. Alright, well, that's my unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'm going to leave it completely up to you guys what it's named. That's right, I'm leaving the name of this revolver up to you guys. So comment below what you think it should be named. Thanks.